This guy put multiple rifles in the freezer to test them out. Watch till the end to see which one actually works.
Starting off with the HK416/MR556 right here. Absolutely no problems there. Next up, we have the venerable Sire AUG. No problems. Venerable URGI. Probably got a bunch of soot on my face. Next up, we have the good old AKM. It was working no problem. Next up, we have the AK105. Absolutely no problems with that. We have a military upper. This one is not cleaned to test a couple things. Little hiccup, looks like it's working okay-ish. Next up, SIG MCX. No problems there.